basically captured that information, and if they're to play for the Flying Fijians, they need to either leave that contract or have that contract amended, and so that takes quite a while. But the players indicated they would like to play for Fiji, but currently contracted and looking at the All Blacks.
Well, Salesi Rayasi has just signed a 2-year contract with Vans in France. So does that mean he's open up?
Yep, that means he's available, and so he'll be somebody that we will talk to. I think there's a couple other boys are looking at different things offshore as well. So as they move out of their New Zealand contracts, we'll certainly be having discussions with them.
Are there any other players that you're looking at, or just those that fall?
At this stage, just focusing in on our program here. We've had a list of names that we were looking at prior to coming here, but right now just focusing in on the team we have and the squad we have and making that the best possible squad we have. And we'll look at building that squad next time we get an opportunity to do that, which will be the PNC. We'll have a look at what other players may be available, but just currently, as you could probably appreciate, it's just really heads down and focusing on our current squad in preparation for the All Blacks.